Welcome to part 3 of the Splendor series. Today, we are bringing the kettle to life. Simple, clean, and fun. Shortcuts will appear on screen, so just follow along. Let's jump in. So I will select the glass part, isolate it, edit mode and face selection. Select those faces. Don't forget the shortcuts. Duplicate it and separate the faces. Then isolate the water part, go to edit mode, edge selection. I will fill this loop and select this loop, press Ctrl F, change the span here to 8. Okay, then I will invert the selection, and before inverting, go and to face selection, invert the selection. I will save the selection here, assign. Now select this face, separate it into a new object, and this is for particles part, rename it. Now select the water and add displacement modifier. Click new. We will use a Voronoi texture here. And by the way, you can pick the face selection directly from here. Inverted. Then change the numbers as you see in the pictures. I will add subdivision surface. So right now I will select this object, scale it, and apply the scale. Then add particles here. Create a sphere. Then scale it. Shade smooth. Move it like this and go. I will go to render tab here, object, select the sphere. I will play with the scale like that and play with the randomization. Go to field weight, make the gravity -1. Move it along the axis a little like that. I will go to physics, play with this number, and velocity make it 0. Another thing, I will go to render again and show emitter. Go back here. I will move the water here, so I will create an empty cube. Okay, I have to enable the extras here. Scale the empty object. Apply the scale. Then I will select the water. Go to modifier, to displacement. Make the local the local here coordinator to object and select the empty. If you remember, we put the direction Z. So right now, if I select the empty, I move it along the axis, the water will move. So I have to animate the cube here. Go to timeline, go to 0, press K, and location. Then go to the last frame, move it along the axis like this, and add another keyframe to location. So I will select the water, duplicate the water. Um, then I go here, I will name it collision. I will add collision here and just enable the kill particles. After that, I will go here. Okay, I will select the particles, go to particles and go to bake and bake it. So right now, okay, if you go to X-ray here, and you can play with the delete bake, and I will play with the scale. Go to render tab from here, render, and play with the scale and bake it again. Now I will add solidify to the water. Make sure the number here is too small and minus. We can check the collision object. Um, Select the collision object. Be sure that the collision modifier is the first modifier. Select the water. I will go to BlenderKit, uh, enable the material tab and write water. I will double click here. Okay. After that, switch off solo mode. I will select the glass. By the way, if you want to see how I did the materials here, you can check the part 2. You will find a link in the description below. I will here I will delete the materials here. Okay, then I will add a new one. Go to shader editor, make the roughness like this and add transmission, make it 1. Okay, then I will go to do render tab. Be sure that it's in cycle and GPU compute. Make the maximum samples 300 or 200. Enable the denoise. Then I will go to camera 2. We added a camera in part 2 if you wanna check. Then go and enable the motion blur. Okay, and we can check before rendering the animation. Nice, not bad, but I forget something here. Select this part. Okay, if you remember, we added some materials. Select this material. Before that, go to solo mode here and select this material. Go to edit mode. if you select this material, okay, you can change it from here, make it white, and make the emission maybe if you want 10, then go to object mode and go back again to camera and hit F12. Nice, not bad. After that, you can just go here again to render, and you can, sorry, output. You can change the output folder here and just render animation from here. So thank you for watching. If you like the video, just give me a like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.